Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tashwita Gupta, your ACCA mentor. So I am here to extend my warm wishes to all the students out there who are giving their exams this March. So from Monday, that is tomorrow, you're going to start with your exams, the exam week. So if you're giving two exams, one exam, or whatever is the situation, I would just say that first of all, keep your minds calm. That works super great, okay? Because mostly in ACCA, honestly, whatever your preparation is, have you completed the syllabus, have you completed the kit, have you given a mock or not, irrespective of that, I have personally passed exams just on the basis of common sense. I have done it in SBL, I have done in AFM. So I'm not saying that it's a perfect thing to do, but maybe because of certain circumstances we are not able to prepare well, and we are always doubtful. I believe we are always doubtful about our preparation. So I have never seen someone who is very confident and will say I'll pass the paper. It's always like we are doubtful about our preparation. It's common to all. So if you are feeling the same way, if you feel unprepared, if you feel that I don't know whether I'll pass or not, just make sure that I'm sending my blessing through this video, and I would be praying for all the students, especially for this attempt, because I resumed my YouTube in this attempt and you guys just supported me immensely. And we've been we've been in contact through the virtual way, and I am sending my good vibes and wishes to all of you who are watching this video. I really hope and pray that you pass the exam and you give your best. Giving the best is the only important thing. It doesn't matter whether we pass or fail, but if we have given our best in the time that we've had, that's what matters. So in the remaining time, if your exam is tomorrow, all the best. If your exam is like in SBR and FR, we have the exam on 9th, so you still have time. So keep on studying, keep your mind cool, focused, and practice the question as much as possible. And that is it. So just keep your mind cool. When you go to your exam, make sure your documents are ready. If it is center based, if it is remotely, so you have run a test on your system and you are okay with all the documents. And plus, stay hydrated, okay? Fresh mind, take good sleep before your exam. That's very important. More the fresher your mind is, the better you will prepare for your exam and appear in it in the better way. Because sometimes some things are just commonsensical, so we might do some silly mistakes if we are in that sleepy mode, or if we are worried, nervous, we will spill the beans. Don't spill the beans. Keep yourself intact. You're going to do it, I'm sure, and I will pray for you. So all the best to everyone. May God bless you all, and hopefully see you in the June attempt.